What's up YouTube, Bayview Bud, back with another video, another Prelude video. So I just got my Greddy front lip and my Mugen side skirts back from paint. You can see here, I just removed the original front lip. So it's pretty weathered, the paint was completely done on it. I'm gonna hold on to it just in case, but I think it's gonna look a lot better with the Greddy front lip. I'll pop it out now and show you guys what it looks like. All right, so that's the Greddy lip, just roughly mounted. I haven't drilled any holes yet, pre-drilled or anything. So I think it's gonna look pretty sweet. It'll lower the front end a little bit. I'm really happy with how the paint came out. Did a good job. I mean, my paint's okay, but it is 22 years old, so it's a bit dirty right now. When I wash it, hopefully it'll match up a little better, but he did use the Honda paint code for that year, so I think it should be okay. Anyway, we'll get her mounted up and see how she looks with her sitting on the ground. All right, that's her all said and done, mounted up. I think it looks pretty mint, to be honest with you. Pretty happy with how it turned out. Sorry, don't mind the water. Floods here this time of year because we got the river right across the street there. But yeah, I'm really pleased with how it looks, honestly. I like it a lot better than the original lip. It's a little thicker too. So I'll show you how I mounted it. So I did one screw here into the bumper, and then underneath there was brackets from the original lip that I reused that you will see where, if I can get a good angle on them. So you got the screw here and your bracket under there. So you got one of those on each side. So it's just the 4 points holding it together. But yeah, it's on there good. It ain't going nowhere. Next up is the side skirts. I'm gonna try and get them done tonight. Let's see, but I think that might be more of a pain in the ass than I think. So we'll get into it and see how it goes. I might do a second video. If I can get them done tonight, I'll have it as a part of this video. If not, I'll do a second video on those. All right, so I called it on the side skirts. I started, it got too dark, man. Honestly, it became a pain in the ass. I couldn't see what I was doing, and backyard's currently flooded a bit, so I didn't want to run to the back shed and get lights and all this shit. So I'm gonna do a second video on the side skirts and how it all looks when it's all said and done. And then I might do like a driving video and kind of go over the car as a whole since last year, all the things I've done to it. Yeah, if you have any questions, I know one guy was asking my last video where I got the lip and the side skirts. So if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to comment and I'll get back to you. I'll post up the links and all that. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.